Hello everyone, my name is Chatwe and I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to use Loom, L-O-O-M, Loom. So let's get started. As you see on the screen, Loom can be used for introduction and also you can host a meeting with Loom and you can also give feedback to the students by using Loom videos, and also you can record your presentation, your PowerPoint presentation or your lecture. Let's see how to navigate Loom. So you can go to Google and just type Loom. You can sign up with your Gmail account. Afterwards, after you sign up, you will see this is dashboard of Loom. So as you see, you can invite more people, and this is home. You can see the tutorial video. And also, if you click on my library, there's nothing yet, but if you record videos, it will appear on here, and you can delete them or you can edit them. So you can also create a space and like different folders. You can also upgrade them. And okay, so how do we install them? Okay, so I'm going to take you to how to install Loom desktop apps. So let's look at here. So support.loom.com. If you go to that website, you will see here how to install, and if you click on this page, it will take you to here. So you can choose either one. How do you want to record your Loom? So Chrome extension or desktop app. So I use this one, and there is a instruction detail on how to install this one. So when I install desktop apps, I will show you. So after you download it, you will see this icon, and then all you have to do is remove them in application. And when you go to application, you will see your Loom either on the icon, it will appear on this here, or you can go to your apps and then App Store and you will see them. And then after that, you can go to your library or your dashboard. You can sign in there, and then all you have to do is just record a Loom. So there are many options. So you can make this small picture of me. You can make them bigger, or you can make them full screen like this, or you can even make them disappear. So I really love this, and I just you can also move around however you want it. And I just want to show you really quick how you can use them for giving presentation that I create with Canva. So here we go. So you can give a presentation easily. Like for example, you can present them about grammar points, simple present tense, and then giving an example. So I'm not gonna go in detail. So I just want to show you how to create an account. So now I'm going to show you more function. So if you click on videos on your dashboard after you log in with your Gmail account, so you can access to your dashboard, and if you click on my library, you will see your videos. So if you click on your videos, you can actually edit them here. So let's see. So if you don't like some part of your videos, you can trim them. So let's see how it's go. So you can also actually add more video. You can delete the clips. Okay, this is pretty cool. And then you can also revert to the original. You can also share the video. So I think this is very useful for giving presentation, giving tutorials. So thank you so much. I really hope you enjoying this, and you will be able to use it in your educational field. Thank you.